back to my channel. We are completely back to normal this week, uploading on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM. Today is the turn of the Lottie London stamp liner. I am going to be reviewing this and trialing this out today. Will it make it easier to do your winged eyeliner, or will it just complicate things? If you're interested in finding out, then please keep watching. Okay, so firstly, the Lottie London stamp liner only comes in black. It has a stamp on one end which looks a little bit like a triangle, and on the other end it has a felt tip liner which looks really decent. So first of all, I am going to do what I normally do when I'm doing winged eyeliner, and that is to draw the line on first before I even attempt the wing. I know this is completely different to how everybody else does it. This is just how I find it easiest to do. I don't like to draw a really thick line because I have slightly hooded eyes, only slightly. The actual liner itself, the felt tip liner, is excellent. In fact, I can go as far as saying that this is probably the best felt tip liner that I have had for a very, very long time. It's really quite sturdy yet flexible at the same time. It goes on really smoothly. You can really get down to the lashes and make sure that you don't have any gaps between your lashes and the actual line itself. It's not patchy at all, it's the same colour throughout. I really like this part of the liner. This just glides on so smoothly. It's definitely not patchy. It's not too liquidy, so it doesn't run or seep at all. It just goes exactly where you put it and it doesn't budge. I love that. I don't want to mess it up with the stamp part now, but I've got to. Oh. I have slightly hooded eyes. If you have slightly hooded eyes, the trick to doing a wing is to have your eye completely relaxed, just like you're looking at somebody normally. You really want to do this when you're drawing a wing so that you get the skin as taut as possible, but don't do that because as soon as you relax, the wing's going to look a little bit floppy. That's pretty good. Obviously there's gaps when I go like this, there's a gap, but that is what the other end is for. This is just to give you a guide. So then we're just going to fill that in. For this part you can pull the skin taut, making sure that you get the liner filled in properly. And then once that's done, you can then join from the highest part and swoop it across the eye if that's what you choose to do. I actually think that's excellent. If you've mastered your wing already, obviously there is no need for you to use the stamp. But I highly recommend the actual felt tip part of this liner, and for £5.95 it is an absolute steal. If you have hooded eyes and you really struggle doing your winged eyeliner, this is a really good start to give you a guide to then swoop in and fill out the rest with the felt tip end. I always struggle when I'm doing a winged eyeliner to get both sides exactly the same, and I think that is the genius of the stamp. It's so much easier to actually get both sides the same when you've got a stamp. So I thought I was going to hate this, really did, thought it was a bit of a gimmick, didn't think I was going to like it, and regardless of whether you need the stamp, this is an excellent, excellent liner. Okay, so I've just applied a couple of coats of mascara. The mascara went on so simply because this isn't a liquid liner. It didn't get stuck in my lashes, it didn't send my lashes really clumpy. None of this got on my lashes, which made it so easy applying the mascara. Let me just show you the wing. I haven't tidied this up any off camera. This is how it was. It took approximately around about 3 minutes to do both eyes. Usually if I'm going out for the night and I want a wing, I give myself half an hour to get the wing completely correct, because sometimes I have to take the whole makeup off because I get so frustrated. This makes it so much easier, but like I said before, if you aren't even going to use the stamp part of this liner, the actual felt tip liner itself is worth the £5.95. This is only available in black at the moment. I wish they'd bring it out in other colours because it's seriously a good felt tip liner. Lottie London, £5.95, not available on their website at the moment, but you can get it from Superdrug or superdrug.com. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please do give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe. See you on Thursday. Bye!